In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Lucidspark board step by step, so you can save your work as a PDF, PNG, JPEG, or SVG in just a few clicks. This is super helpful if you need to share your board, print it out, back it up, or keep a local copy for later. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides, just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Lucidspark account and open the specific board you want to download. Make sure you are on the correct canvas before you begin, because the export will apply to whatever board is currently open. Once your board is loaded, look to the top left corner of the canvas and find the More menu icon, which usually looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu to open the available options. After the menu opens, hover over the Export option. This will reveal the different download formats and export settings available for your Lucidspark board. Depending on what you need, you can choose a format like PDF if you want a document-style file, PNG or JPEG if you want an image, or SVG if you want a scalable vector version. Pick the file type that best fits your use case. If you want more control over the export, Lucidspark also gives you a few useful settings. For example, you can choose whether to export the full canvas or crop to content. Full canvas is great if you want the entire board area, including the larger workspace. Crop to content is better if you want the export to focus only on the actual items on the board and remove extra white space. This is especially useful when your board is organized into a smaller visual layout. If you're exporting as PNG or JPEG, you may also see quality options. These can include current zoom level, screen quality, or print quality. If you want a quick preview or a lighter file, screen quality may be enough. If you need the best clarity for presentations or printing, choose print quality when available. Just keep in mind that higher quality can create a larger file size. Once your format and settings are selected, click the Download button in the Export panel. Lucidspark will begin generating the file, and your browser will save it to your computer. Depending on the size of your board, this may take a few seconds. After it finishes, you can open the downloaded file and confirm that everything exported correctly. And that's it. Your Lucidspark board is now downloaded and saved locally. Whether you needed a PDF for sharing, an image for quick reference, or an SVG for design work, you can now export your board whenever you need to. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.